All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. I am your host, Professor Anya of MTM.University. And if you haven't already, check us out today and get your free course. Just fill out the pop-up box. Look, I promise you, we will not spam you like those other companies. I hate that. You hate that. We don't do that. But we just want to give you some freebies. Look, I know you're having a great day, and if you're not, your great day starts right here, right now, with this great information and this great energy I'm about to give you guys. You guys see the topic, so let's jump right on into this one. Gambling versus trading, trading versus gambling. What are some of the many differences? Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you. There are some similarities, but there are some differences within the two. Let's get into it, guys. So, difference number one: the purpose of trading. So, the primary purpose of trading is to invest capital in financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, commodities, or currencies, with the intention of generating a profit over time. Traders typically analyze market trends, company performances, economic indicators, and other factors to gain informed decisions, versus gambling, which involves risking money on uncertain outcomes with the hope of winning more money. The primary purpose is usually just entertainment, and the outcome is determined largely by chance rather than skill and analysis. See, through MTM.University, we train, and cultivate regular people into master traders over time to gain a high level of skill and analysis through trading, which ultimately increases one's probabilities that they will gain the outcome that they're trying to gain over a period of time, which is just weekly gains, monthly gains, percentage wise, and of course, which equals into dollar amounts. Reason number two: risk management. Point number two: risk management. Risk management. Trading with successful traders, we employ various risk management techniques, which we teach here right on our university, such as diversification, stop loss orders, hedging to minimize potential losses, and that's just to protect our capital. You know, um, we risk assessments and mitigations are integral parts of trading strategies, versus gambling. While some forms of gambling may involve strategies to improve the odds slightly, such as card counting in blackjack or knowing the odds in poker, gambling inherently involves a high level of risk with minimal control over the outcome. Many forms of gambling rely purely on chance, and there's often little to no risk management involved. See, here at MTM.U, we're big on risk management, risk management, risk management. We teach and we promote risk management through every semester of your learning, because risk management, just like mindset, just like technical analysis, are some of the key fundamentals to becoming a master trader. And I'm going to stop right here just to mention to you guys. Um, demo accounts, demo trading. You can go to mtm.u and click on our demo trading link on that homepage to start your demo account today. Don't load any real money on there, but just hop on there just to get a feel for what it's like to be a trader. If you got any questions, email me or DM me, message me on any social media platform, or email me, or you can message me on the Marco Polo app just to tell me, how your demo trading went. Let's talk about it. Let's learn and grow together. But back to the episode at hand. The third thing: time horizon. So, with trading, traders typically have minimum to long term time horizons, seeking to profit from gradual market movements over weeks to months to even years. With me, I'm binary options, so we could be in and out of the market in an hour's time, 30 minutes time. A typical trade for me is 45 seconds to a minute, in and out, in and out. But there are traders who take a trade that can last a couple of hours, a couple of days, a couple of weeks, or whatnot. You know, um, So traders, may employ various analysis techniques to forecast market trends and make informed decisions about when to buy or sell assets. Versus gambling, the outcomes are usually determined much more quickly, often within seconds or minutes or hours, which, that's a slight similarity to trading binary. Slight similarity, slight. But even within binary, a binary trade could take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So, again, with gambling, it's like literally like, think about gambling. A decision can be made within the roll of a dice. So that's 2 or 3 seconds. The spin of a roulette wheel or a hand of cards. The results are immediate. And the cycle of betting and winning or losing is typically much faster than trading. So that's definitely a big difference. And there is a percentage of traders who don't like a quicker outcome, but I like the quicker outcome of binary. That was the first style of trading that I was introduced into, binary, or as we coined it here at MTM.U, time exchange trading. It's what I got used to. It's what I fell in love with, and I'm pretty sure you'll fall in love with it as well once you get to the more, intermediate to mastery levels of it all. So the next thing is we'll deal with information and analysis, trading. Successful trading often requires in-depth analysis of financial markets, including fundamental analysis, as we teach on the university, examining company financials, industry trends, and technical analysis, which we teach every semester on the university as well too, studying price charts, patterns, and indicators. Traders also rely on news, economic reports, and other information to make informed decisions. And this is what I mean when I say our probabilities are higher. These are more calculated risks that we're taking to be able to earn our money versus gambling. While some forms of gambling may involve skill and strategy, like when you think of like the World Series of Poker to a certain extent, or even like, sports betting, you can say the same thing. But many forms rely primarily on luck and random chance. We don't do that over here in trading, but that's key in the gambling world. The outcome of gambling activity is typically independent of any analysis or information. And that's not okay over here in the trading world. Like I just said, when somebody is not going by certain principles that we lay, then it does become gambling and it's not trading. But that's obviously traders that's not trading with MTM.U, because we don't do that over here. We don't promote any of that over here. I'm going to take a quick break to mention the Ultimate Trading Playbook over on MTM.U. If you're trading, why are you trading without a trading journal? A digital trading journal. The best digital trading journal on the market. Yes, the Ultimate Trading Playbook. It has everything you need in this binary options trading journey, this pocket option trading journey, to get you to profits, to get you to mastery. So go ahead and purchase yours today. Back to the show, guys. So the last thing, regulations and legalities. Trading in financial markets is regulated by governmental and regulatory bodies to ensure fairness, transparency, and investor protection. That is so key. Traders must adhere to laws and regulations governing financial markets and securities tradings. That is key to protecting you and to protecting your money. Always do your research on regulated and unregulated brokers, or brokers that are, majority regulated, or at least, somewhat seriously regulated. That is going to be so key in your journey. That's something I didn't know from the beginning, but you know it from the beginning, because I'm going to put you in a better situation than I was in the beginning. Versus gambling. Gambling laws vary by jurisdiction, and certain forms of gambling may be legal or illegal depending on the location and specific regulations. However, gambling is generally subject to less stringent regulatory oversight compared to the financial markets. See, when we putting up our money, our hard-earned money, we want to know that this is a fair game that's being played. We want to know that, hey, I have a fair shot at earning money right here, and things are not just in favor of the casino. I know we've heard a lot about, casinos running tricks on gamblers or whatnot. And, the casinos just really just kicking gamblers' butts. So again, we have higher probabilities in the trading market. So if you are a gambler, from those breakdowns, wouldn't it make more sense to learn how to trade? I get it. It's easy to go in and just put some money on black, put some money on, but you're willing to just risk your money and lose your money like that versus coming to the trading markets and learning a little something, over a period of time, and generating much more money over a period of time that could put you in a place to where you could start living off of trading. I mean, let's just think about it. How many people do we know that live off of gambling? And you might be saying to yourself, well, I don't really know people that live off of trading. Well, you know me. I live off of trading. I can name a host of traders who live off of trading and that made so much money off of trading that they started to invest into other worlds, and now they're millionaires and billionaires, and their starting point was trading. So with that said, I want to let you guys know about our open house trading chat on the Marco Polo app. You go to any of our social medias, you'll find the link. On our YouTube, you'll find the link to give you a window in on how we operate here at the university. It has a lot of information. It answers a lot of questions in that chat. And it just shows you what you're getting into, what you're investing your money into, and the type of elite level support that you're going to be getting on a day-to-day basis. So make sure you guys join that chat, because it's going to answer a lot of questions you guys have. And when you're on Marco Polo with us, make sure to reach out to me. Ask me any questions you got. Just say hi. Let's talk, all right? And with that said, guys, that wraps up today's episode. You want to gamble your money away? Or do you want to grow your money over time through trading and become a money multiplier? The choice is yours, people. Peace and prosperity.